Good morning, my lovelies. How are you today? Bubbles is here. Bubbles is wearing his sun hat, and I got jealous. I wanted a hat too. Do you like my hat? It's made from wrapping paper. Because it used to be you could make a hat out of newspaper. But who has newspapers anymore? Maybe if you have a neighbor, grandma, grandpa, someone who has a newspaper, you could use a sheet of newspaper. But I used a piece of wrapping paper. Do you want to see how I made it? Take it off for a minute because it keeps falling off. It's a bit slippery. Here's a piece of wrapping paper. It's about the size of a sheet of newspaper. Can you see? I'm going to put it down here on the table. Let's see. We're going. First thing to do is to fold it over to this edge here. And then just make the crease down the middle. Then fold it over again to make sure that the corners match right here and here, and make a crease down the middle. Then you need to open it. So it looks like kind of like a book. Open it. You've got to fold a triangle so this edge matches the straight line crease down the middle there, and then push real hard on that edge. Then you've got to do the same the other side. Fold it to the middle, push down on the crease. Then you just fold the bottom up like this. One side, turn it all over, and do it the other side. Exactly the same. Fold it up. Squeaky, can you hear it? Very squeaky paper. Then you just got to fold these flaps over the corners, this little bit that's sticking up here. Just fold it over, and then just fold the other side over there too. And the same the other end. Just fold it over. Oops. And fold this over too. And there you go. You have your hat. So now I have two. Who do you think needs a hat? He doesn't. I know. What about? Do you think it's too big for him though? It's too big for Patrick. We'll have to make a smaller one. This will just about fit you perfectly. Have a go. Bye.